Astroshot at Zero GX, and it's from the company USA Toys, and it's part of their STEM programs. How about that? And if any of y'all know what the STEM is, you'll know what I'm talking about. It comes with 12 darts, optional soundtrack, 5 anti-gravity pedestals, and you can see the setup here, glow in the dark. So all of this glows in the dark. Dart blaster, 10 dart orbs. Let's just open it up and see what it looks like. I'm take it out of the package here. Whoa, there's a lot to this. That's actually a lot more going on in there than I thought. So on the side, you have the little darts, and I think all of that glows in the dark. Here's the actual unit itself. You get a little kind of setup guide. There's the, I think this goes on there somehow. Let me go ahead and look over the instructions, because it looks like there's a little more to this. But right now I can tell you, just looking at it, I think these go in here. So we'll dump that out. We'll get some of these, and we'll get some of these. Let me look over the instructions and see exactly how to set this up, and then I'll come back and show y'all. But right away, it looks cool. This thing looks really awesome. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, I got it all together here. So there's a few things. This needs to have 4 C batteries. You're gonna put the C batteries right back here, and it'll play music by the on and off switch there. And then this right here is the switch that creates air. So these will actually levitate up like this. I don't have any C batteries, nor do I want to go buy some C batteries, because there's very few things that take C batteries nowadays. But if I was going to buy this, just to note, you will need some C batteries. And then I'm going to show you how to use this. These were super simple to put on. You put the bands on each one of these. They give you these little rubber bands, and you see how you can actually see where I put the rubber band right there, and it helps hold those into place so when you hit them, they don't go flying off. So let me go ahead and use it, and I'm going to show you how fun this thing is. You're going to stick one of the Nerf darts, and these are Nerf darts. You're going to pull this back, hear how that cocks, and then I'm going to shoot it. Okay, that one missed. So then I'm going to go another one. Nailed it. And it has a decent range to it. That one didn't fall over. By the way, there's one way you need to put it on there, just so you know. Let me turn it around. Just like that. Nailed that one. This is actually really cool. I could see this being a, see, I nailed that one too. It's pretty powerful. But these are Nerf darts. Now see, these styrofoam balls would be floating. I hit it even when it was on its base there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. I think this would be a great toy for any young kid that's just wanting to have like a little game that's really fun to play on, and you know, you could have multiple people and you would keep score and all that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today. See you all in the next video.